Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here as we embark on a journey to simplify our lives and bring in more joy, starting with our connection to our beautiful planet. Today, we're diving into some amazing sustainable living hacks that you can start using right away. These simple changes can make a big difference over time, and the journey begins with just one step. Remember, our goal is not perfection, but to make conscious choices that spark joy and contribute to a healthier planet. Let's begin.
Imagine a life where your waste is minimized and your impact on the earth is light and joyful. This is the beauty of a zero-waste approach. Let's start with something as simple as using reusable bags. Keep a few folded in your bag so they're always ready to carry your groceries and purchases. Next, consider composting your food scraps. It's like magic, transforming kitchen waste into nutrient-rich soil for your plants. It's incredibly satisfying, I promise you. And when you shop, opt for items with minimal packaging or buy in bulk whenever possible. Every little step makes a difference.
Did you know that you can create cleaning products that truly spark joy, both for your home and the environment? Let's start with a simple all-purpose cleaner. Vinegar and water are all you need. The vinegar's natural acidity cuts through grease and grime, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. For tougher jobs, baking soda is your best friend. Make a paste with water to scrub away stains or sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming to neutralize odors. And to infuse your home with refreshing scents, add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or lemon. It's like inviting nature's own fragrance indoors.
Chapter 3. The Joy of Upcycling. Before discarding items, pause and consider their hidden potential. Could that empty jam jar be transformed into a charming storage container for spices or buttons? Give new life to old furniture with a fresh coat of paint or new fabric. It's amazing how a little creativity can transform something old into a cherished piece. Remember, each item has a story to tell, and by upcycling, we give it a new chapter filled with purpose and joy.
Chapter 4. Sustainable Fashion. Dress with intention. Our wardrobes should spark joy not only for us, but also for the planet. Let's explore the world of sustainable fashion. Second-hand shopping is a treasure hunt. You can find unique, high-quality pieces while giving them a second life. It's a win-win for you and the environment. When you do buy new, choose brands that prioritize ethical and sustainable practices. Look for natural organic materials and support companies that value fair labor and transparency. Remember, our clothing choices are a reflection of our values. Let's choose wisely and make a positive impact.
Chapter 5. Cultivating Joy Through Gardening. Imagine stepping into your own little green oasis, a sanctuary filled with the sights and scents of nature. Starting a garden, even a small one, is a deeply rewarding experience. Begin with just a few herbs or vegetables in pots if space is limited. Nurturing plants connects us to the earth's rhythms and provides us with fresh, homegrown goodness. It's a beautiful way to nourish our bodies and souls. Let's sow the seeds of sustainability and watch them blossom into a more joyful and fulfilling life.
Thank you so much for joining me on this journey toward a more sustainable life. Remember, even small changes made with intention can have a big impact. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips on simplifying, organizing, and living with purpose and joy. See you next time.